Okay, welcome to the King's Omoefe TV, where you learn how to grow, um, where you learn how to do things, grow, and get inspired. And so, if you're in Nollywood, or you want to intending and joining Nollywood, or you want to be an actor or a filmmaker, this is the right place for you to be. Today, I'll be responding to a couple of responses from from my people online who ask a few questions, and we'll be dealing with acting tips today. So today I'll be talking about 5 acting tips. What you need to know, what you need to do when you start up, and how you can grow as an actor. So today we'll be talking about acting tips for beginners. So today, the first one I will tell you is try and understand your script. You have to understand first thing first your script. If you don't understand your script, how do you intend to display or how to act very well? So first you need to understand your script. And for those of us who don't understand what they call script, it's basically the written guideline for actors to perform very well. It has all the instructions that are embedded there for you as an individual to understand the roles and all the capabilities that you need to do as an actor. So basically, that's a script. So you need to understand your script. Caveat though, please do not memorize your lines. Understand your script. It's very important. But a lot of actors, they just memorize their lines and they don't really understand the script, so they just have everything on their head and just pour them out. So I would advise that you don't memorize your line, but understand your script, understand your character and everything. Secondly, I'll say connect with your emotions, right? Connect with your emotions. First thing that you need to understand, say to understand your script, but second is connect with your emotion. Acting is emotions, about emotions. So if you can connect to your emotions, then you can act very well. If you want to act as somebody who's crying and you cannot connect to your emotions, it's going to be a bit difficult for you to achieve that. So you need to connect with your emotions. You need to have the feeling, you know, tap into experience, because that will help you to tap into your own experience. That will help you to bring out your fears and your joys and everything that you need to bring out as an actor in everything. So if you need to channel anything that you need to channel into your performance and all that, you need to tap into those experiences, which are basically your emotion. Sometimes it becomes very uncomfortable and sometimes it becomes very powerful. But at the end of the day, I always advise that secondly, you connect with your emotions. Thirdly, what you need to do is to listen and react. Don't just listen for listening's sake or listen to react. Actually, not just about delivering lines, really. It's about listening and reacting to um, your person, your emotions, and all that. So you must learn to listen and react. Number four, I would say practice your body language. Practice your body language. Practice your body language. Very important. Stay in front of the mirror, understand what works for you. Some of us, if we cry somehow, we look very ugly. But if we cry on that way, we look a bit beautiful or handsome, as the case may be. And then also look at how you can practice your movement, your hand movement, your body movement, and all that in front of mirror. So the mirror is very important for you as an actor. So always practice your body language, okay? Because your body speaks more than what even your mouth is saying. So sometimes you're saying something, your body is saying another thing. So it's very important that you practice your body language. Tip number 5, keep practicing and keep practicing and keep practicing your act. Then go for auditions. So basically, we're saying don't just practice your body language, practice everything, learn things. Don't wait for that perfect opportunity before you do what you have to do. You know, practice with people, watch films, go for stage shows, uh, go to locations where they're shooting films and all that, on the study people and all that. So it's very important that you practice and practice and practice and keep practicing. Then finally, of course, in your way of practicing, do auditions, because audition is a part of a way of practicing your craft. It doesn't necessarily mean that the first time you go for auditions or the second or third time it will take you and give you a role, but just practice and make sure that everything comes very well for you. So I will stop there today. I hope you get my 5 points. The first, number one, I said to you that the five acting tips Five acting tips for every beginners. Number one, I say understand your script. Understand your script. Number two, connect with your emotions. Number three, listen and react. Number four, practice your body language. Number five, practice, then rehearse and audition. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed today's episode of the show. See you next time again. If you like what we're doing, please subscribe, press the subscribe button, and don't forget to comment. This is King Someone if you sign off for this. Thank you and God bless. Mwah, mwah, mwah.